Today, we'll tell you about the latest achievement in the field of drone defense, container systems presented by the U.S. Army. These systems provide additional security in remote locations. The U.S. Army has showcased a new containerized drone defense system equipped with a 4-launcher setup that operates 70mm rockets with laser guidance. This innovative system is perfect for providing additional protection against drones and can be easily deployed in remote areas. The launcher, CROWS 2 Land LGR-4, is integrated into a containerized weapon system, CWS, which is a modified 10-foot ISO transport container with a retractable roof. This allows the platform with CROWS 2 to be raised and lowered. 2 soldiers can easily connect the CWS, launching it in just 30 minutes. The system is equipped with an Ethernet-supported hub, enabling integration into a network with external sensors and fire control systems. Another interesting aspect is the option to install a high-speed M134 Minigun Gatling machine gun caliber 7.62 by 51mm on the CWS version, providing even more reliable protection against drones and other ground threats. Thanks to the container design, the system can be easily transported from one place to another, even to remote areas, using trucks and other equipment designed for moving transport containers. This opens up new possibilities for effective drone defense in various conditions and terrains. We hope you found this information interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and technological reviews. Until next time.